Is it the perfect time to make a move on Pfizer's stock? Welcome back, folks. Today, we're delving deep into Pfizer, bringing you an even more comprehensive analysis than ever before. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and hit the notification bell to stay in the loop on all our latest analyses. Missing out on crucial updates that could hugely impact your investments is simply not an option. Supercharge your trading decisions with our cutting-edge AI stock analysis tool, powered by the mind-blowing GPT-4 technology, available at StockInvest.us. Gain access to free price predictions and in-depth analyses for a whopping 25,000 companies across the globe today. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Hey there! Guess what? Our system has ranked Pfizer as a sell candidate since August 29, 2023, and it's got a score of -3.64. But hold on, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Brace yourself. You won't believe it, but the stock actually experienced a loss of -6.94%. Can you imagine that? It means the stock has been losing an average of -0.50% per day ever since it was listed as a sell candidate. Picture this, a stock on a downward trend, creating an exciting opportunity for savvy investors. If the trend floor at $33.35 is broken, brace yourself for an even stronger fall. Now, let's talk numbers. Over the next 3 months, there's a potential -6.94% change, with a return ranging from -7.73% to 0.0967%. It's all about playing the odds. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, brace yourself for a -25.39% change. That means a potential return between -38.14% and -3.88%. Don't worry, we'll break it down for you, a price range of $20.81 to $32.33 after a year. Breaking news. Let's talk about the latest update on Pfizer. Brace yourself for the headline, Red Day on Monday for Pfizer. Hold on tight as we dive into the exciting world of stock prices. On the last trading day, Pfizer's stock price experienced a thrilling journey, dropping by 1.26%. From a day low at $33.44, it soared to a day high of $34.10, showcasing a 1.97% fluctuation. It's worth noting that the stock price has fallen in 8 of the last 10 days, marking a significant decrease of 5.98% during this period. And here's an interesting tidbit: volume followed suit and decreased alongside the stock. This actually bodes well, as volume should mirror the stock's movements. The trading volume fell by a whopping 33 million shares on the last day, with a total of 25 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $845.16 million. Let's take a broader view. Over the past 52 weeks, Pfizer's stock reached great heights, with a high of $54.93. However, it's currently trading at $33.44, which is 38.76% below its 52-week high. And get this, it's a staggering 45.49% below its all-time high, which was achieved on December 20, 2021, when the price skyrocketed to $61.71. That's quite a journey. Breaking, latest analyst ratings for Pfizer, PFE. In today's video, we'll discuss the recent analyst ratings for Pfizer, PFE, and how they might impact the stock. On Monday, August 28, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave Pfizer a rating of equal weight with a recommendation to hold the stock. Let's dive into what this means for investors. Another notable rating came from Credit Suisse on Thursday, June 29, 2023. They downgraded Pfizer to a neutral grade, signaling a potential shift in sentiment towards the stock. We'll analyze the implications of this downgrade. Barclays also weighed in on Pfizer with an equal weight rating and a recommendation to hold the stock. This report was released on Wednesday, May 3, 2023. We'll discuss the reasons behind this rating and its impact on investors. On Tuesday, March 14, 2023, Barclays reiterated their equal weight rating for Pfizer, reinforcing their previous stance on the stock. We'll explore what this means for shareholders. Lastly, on Thursday, February 23, 2023, SVB Lear Inc. gave Pfizer a market perform grade, advising investors to hold the stock. We'll delve into the implications of this rating and its potential effects on Pfizer's market performance. Attention investors! Get ready for some exciting news about Pfizer stock. Brace yourselves because analysts are giving Pfizer stock a strong buy rating. That's right, the PE ratio and price to book are both rated as strong buy. This means the stock is predicted to perform exceptionally well. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given Pfizer stock a more cautious, neutral rating. So keep that in mind before making any investment decisions. Welcome, investors. Today, we're diving into the signals for Pfizer, one of the most talked about stocks in the market. Let's start by examining the technical signals. Currently, there are few to no positive signals for Pfizer. In fact, both short and long-term moving averages indicate a negative forecast for the stock. This is further supported by the relation between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average, suggesting a sell signal. When looking at potential price movements, we find that there may be some resistance at levels $34.04 and $35.45. However, if the stock manages to break above these levels, it could issue a buy signal, indicating a potential upward trend. It's important to note that on Monday, August 21, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a minus 9.11% decrease in stock value. Based on this, further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently shows a sell signal. However, it's worth mentioning that the volume fell alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk. Typically, volume should follow price movements, so this could be seen as a positive sign. Are you ready to discover some fascinating signals? Let's dive in. First up, we have the moving average convergence divergence. It's giving us a strong sell signal. Next, we have the pivots. They're indicating a sell signal 20 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger Bands are showing a buy signal just 6 days ago. The short-term moving average is telling us to sell, as it gave a signal 18 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is also signaling a sell, 15 days ago. Now, let's look at the relationship between the short and long moving averages. It's a buy signal that occurred 13 days ago. Moving on to the 12-month chart, we uncover some interesting insights. The short moving average is indicating a sell signal, 14 days ago. As for the long-term moving average, it's also showing a sell signal, but this one occurred a whopping 170 days ago. Once again, the relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal, 161 days ago. Make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more thrilling signals that can guide your investment decisions. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Pfizer. Brace yourself, because there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. This means that if the conditions are right, the stock may take a turn for the worse in the next couple of days. Now, let's take a closer look at the stock's movements. On an average day, Pfizer tends to have moderate fluctuations, but with a good trading volume, the risk can be considered medium. In the last 24 hours alone, the stock moved $0.660 between its highest and lowest points, which amounts to a 1.97% change. And over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.63%. Welcome, fellow traders. Today, we're going to explore the exciting trading levels for Pfizer. But before we jump into that, let's quickly go over some essential fundamental data. First off, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This vital ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A lower PE ratio might suggest a lower expectation for the company's future or even an undervalued stock, which could be a fantastic buying opportunity. Now, in other news, mark your calendars for the upcoming Q3 2023 earnings report, expected on October 30, 2023. The analysts' consensus estimates are at $0.630. These numbers hold significant weight and can greatly impact stock prices, so keep a close eye on them. Welcome back, traders. Today, we're going to dive into the potential day trading levels for Pfizer. Now, if there's an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level at $34.07. This level could be a game changer for your trading strategy. If you're not already holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. And for those who are already in, this could be the perfect opportunity for swing trading. However, let's not forget that there's no significant support from accumulated volume below. This means that under certain conditions, the stock could potentially take a sharp dive. So, proceed with caution, my fellow traders. Only consider placing bets if you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. Hey there! Are you interested in Pfizer stock? Well, let me tell you, the combined average rating for Pfizer from multiple analyst sources is a strong buy. But wait, there's more. Let's dive into some recent insider trades. On August 31, 2023, Johnson Rady A made an insider buy of 5 shares of Phantom Stock Units SSP. On August 31, 2023, D'Amico Jennifer B. made an insider buy of 38 shares of Phantom Stock Units SSP. On August 31, 2023, Burla Albert made an insider buy of 15 shares of Phantom Stock Units SSP. And that's not all. On August 15, 2023, Johnson Rady A also made an insider buy of 5 shares of Phantom Stock Units SSP. You won't believe it, but D'Amico Jennifer B. made another insider buy on August 15, 2023, this time purchasing 38 shares of Phantom Stock Units SSP. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 315.581. So, here's the scoop. Insiders have purchased a whopping 3,937,612 shares and sold 262,123 shares in the last 100 trades. Hold on tight as we dive into the world of stock evaluations, where things are about to get interesting. But first, brace yourself for some not-so-great news. Our evaluation for this particular stock is in the negative zone, and guess what? No stop loss has been set. Are you wondering if Pfizer stock is a smart investment? Well, let's take a closer look at the current situation. Unfortunately, Pfizer is showing several negative signals and is caught in a downward trend. This means that it's likely to continue performing weakly in the coming days or weeks. As a result, our evaluation of this stock is on the negative side. However, there's always more to the story. When we analyze the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems reveal that the current price is undervalued. So, what can we expect for trading on Tuesday, September 19th? Well, we anticipate Pfizer to open up with a slight increase of $0.0867 and begin trading at $33.73. Welcome to StockInvest.us, where we bring you the latest insights and analysis on stock trading. However, before we dive in, it's important to note that trading comes with risks. That's why we highly recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. We want to empower you to make informed choices, but please remember that StockInvest.us is not responsible for your investment outcomes. The information we provide is for educational purposes only, and ultimately, you are responsible for your own investment decisions. Welcome back, fellow investors. Get ready to dive into the exciting world of stocks as we take a closer look at our current view. But before we start, we want to hear your thoughts. Agree or disagree? Don't hesitate to comment below and let us know. We value your opinion. Oh, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more thrilling stock updates. Your support means the world to us. Now, without further ado, let's jump right in and uncover the potential of this stock. What's your target? Share it with us. We hope you have a fantastic day filled with successful trades. Sending warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.